Welcome to Andy's Garage. I'm Andy Phillips. Today I'm going to be doing a product review follow-up for this Blue Devil head gasket sealer product. So let's go ahead and get started. So what I have here is a vehicle that we put this product in a while back. The car has been driven over 1,000 miles. We'll actually go inside and take a look at the mileage and get the actual details. But a lot of times I get questions when I do these product reviews, especially with something like this. People ask, well, how's it still holding up? How's it still holding up? All that stuff. So what I wanted to do is kind of show the vehicle now, show the miles that have been put on it. Now, if you want to see the actual product review where I showed how to use it and the application, all that, you can do so via the link above. I'll also have a link to the full video down in the description if you want to see that. That's where I go into all the details as far as the prepping, application of this, and show kind of what we were running into and all that stuff. So for this video, we're strictly just doing a follow-up to see how it's been holding up since then. So let's go ahead and take a look at the video at the vehicle, and we'll see the mileage that's on it, and then we'll take it out on the road, we'll drive it, and I'll show you how the temperature is looking on it and see how everything's holding up, and then that'll conclude this follow-up. Let's check the miles on this, but before we do, let me just give you a little bit of a history of this vehicle. Before we put this head gasket sealer in here, we actually had a very bad blown head gasket. The car would overheat immediately when driving. Even if you just turned it on, had it idling, very bad. Had a lot of air getting into the actual coolant system that we had to get out. If you want to see a video I did on how to burp your coolant system, because you need to get that air out of there if it's getting in, because you will overheat, you can check out that video via the link above. I'll also have it down in the description. So that's what we were dealing with. This was a very bad head gasket issue. And rather than taking the time and money to actually replace the head gasket, I saw this product and I was like, hey, let's give it a shot, see if it works or not. And that's where we are right now. So let's go ahead, look at the mileage on it, because when I first put the product in it, I went ahead and reset the actual tripometer so we can actually track how many miles we've driven since I've applied that product. And there we are. So it's been 1,710.1 miles since we put the Blue Devil gasket sealer in it. And you can see there it's been holding up. I've driven this car multiple places since then, really put it to the test. Now, some of that driving included stop and go driving, country driving like back roads. It included highway and beltway driving as well. So at high speeds and at long distances, I even drove it out of state during that time as well. So I feel that this has really been put to the test. Now, the product's been in the vehicle for a couple years. I put it in about 2 years ago. Now, this is not a primary vehicle, which explains why it's only 1,710 miles. However, I feel that it's been really put to the test. Every time the car has been driven, every time it's been put to use, it works great, no issues. So let's get it out on the road. I'll show you how it's performing, and we'll take a look at the temperature and then wrap up this video. Driving along here, and I'll show you what we have going on. We're looking about 12 miles I put on the car. Temperature is running great. Nice operating temperature, right where it needs to be for this vehicle. Got it up to about 55 miles an hour. We're gonna go ahead and rev up the RPMs a little bit here, and I'll show you. We also have the AC on. We have different things going on that would trigger any overheating normally. And so far it's looking great. Almost 15 miles that we've gone now on it with a heavy load on the engine. You can see temperature still looking great. Okay, well this wraps up this follow-up video for this head gasket sealer product by Blue Devil. As you can see, it's still holding up great. I'm very happy with it. As mentioned in the product review, I've used this on several vehicles over the years and it's always worked out great. So you can see for yourself, things are still functioning, cars riding fine. So this wraps up this video. I hope this video was informative for you. I hope it helped you out with maybe any questions you had about this product. If you do have any questions or comments about this video or about this product, the usage, all that, please send them. I would love to hear from you. As always, I appreciate all the support, so please like the video and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you next time.